Hi, I want to create an Instagram carousel in Photoshop. Let's jump straight into it. Now I have to create a new document and follow my numbers to create a document. Go to View, New Guide Layout, and make sure you set your column. You can set your column to any number you want. It can be 6, it can be 4, but I want 4, so yeah. So with your slice tool selected, right click and divide slide. Set the number of slice you want to as well. Click OK. Now go and drag your images onto the canvas. Beautiful images you have, drag them and click OK, and make sure you arrange nicely. Yeah.
Every noob's now crafting masterpieces. Smart objects flex, warp to impress, drop shadow finesse. Leave them obsessed, it's not complex. Just follow the steps.
With your slide tool selected,
The rookie's progress or pixel dreams, they gleam, they shine. Graphics,
select from guide. When you are done, go to File, Export for Web. Select JPEG and follow the instruction. And please make sure your file format is image only, and make sure you select all slides. Go to where you want to save your file, the folder, and make sure you save your file nicely. Then when you go to that folder, you can see all your slides images in that folder. Please subscribe and follow, like. Thank you.